Welcome back to my channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks for boosting your daily earn. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of task management, and I will be showing you one of the best platforms for doing task gigs and earning daily. SproutGigs. Click the link in the description below to get started with SproutGigs. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more informative and entertaining content. If you're tired of juggling multiple tasks and struggling to stay organized, SproutGigs is the solution you've been searching for. With its intuitive interface and robust features, SproutGigs simplifies your task management experience. Creating your SproutGigs account is a breeze. Just head over to SproutGigs.com and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your details, choose a good password with uppercase and include number, choose a unique username, country, and agree on the terms and conditions of SproutGigs.com. Head over to your mail and confirm your mail, and you're all set to embark on your task management journey. Once you've created your account, let's take a tour of the SproutGigs dashboard. This is where the magic happens. The dashboard is designed to provide you with a clear overview of your tasks, deadlines, and earnings. Now, you will fill the "Let us know a little more about you" form. Select your gender. Select any date of birth, your city, postal code, and security questions and answer. After that, you are good to go and start making some good money at the comfort of your home with your smartphone or PC. Once you've found a task that piques your interest, it's time to put your skills to work and start earning. Please, I advise you start with tasks that have low earns for easy understanding. Once you have understood the SproutGigs method and master them, then you can start doing high-rate tasks. SproutGigs provides clear instructions and guidelines for each task, ensuring that you deliver top-notch results to clients. Now, to perform tasks on SproutGigs, click on SEO, plus promote content, plus engage 1x, with the amount $0.03. Once you open the task, read the instructions carefully. All the tasks have different instructions. I will use this gig for my tutorial. I will open it. The first instruction is to clear browser cookies or open the private browser window. I like to open the private browser window. Second instruction said, copy and paste the following link into your browser. You will copy this link and paste it in the private browser you opened in the first instructions. Visit the internal link to get to my website, which means click on the website link you will be performing the task on. Now scroll down slowly to the bottom of the post and wait there for 60 seconds. Then, visit Next Post button will appear. After 5 posts you will get a code that you need to submit. Which means, you will click on a post and wait for 60 seconds, and click on the Visit Next Post button. You will repeat this process for 5 times before the code appears. Now, copy the code. Go back to your SproutGigs, scroll down and paste it in the number 2 of Submit Your Proofs below, where it says submit the post ID/code you received. Now, copy this link and paste it in new tab of the private browser. Read the instructions very carefully. Most of the instructions are different, you need to read and understand it. For this gig, you will click on an ads within the post you visited and visit 2 pages within the ads website. Copy the URL link of the 2 pages within the ads you visited. Make sure that you have provided all the proof you need to get paid. Click on the Submit Proofs and click on the Back to the Worker page of SproutGigs. You select another gig and perform the task, just the same way we followed all the instructions and provide proofs for payment. Note, SproutGigs do not allow new users to start doing high-paid tasks. You start small and grow with them. Once you are qualified for the next level, SproutGigs will send you a message and you will be able to perform higher paid tasks. Please, don't waste your time on the gigs that you do not understand their instructions. There are over 500,000 tasks on SproutGigs. Perform the ones that understand. I will be doing more video of more tasks as I progress. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more informative and entertaining content.